welcome to KK's channel. Today we are going to discuss a wonderful problem. That is, let M be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from a point P on the parabola. Y square is equal to 8 times x minus 3 onto its directrix, and let S be the focus of the parabola. If triangle SPM is an equivalent triangle, then find the coordinates of point P. Okay, let me draw diagram for this. Axis, and let me take it as a parabola. Okay, and it is S focus, and it is vertex A, and it is the directrix of the parabola. Now it is y square is equal to 8 times x minus 3 is the equation of parabola. Now, given equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 8 times x minus 3. But this can be written as y square is equal to 4 into 2 into x minus 3. From this, I am writing this as y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 into 2 into x minus 3. Now it is in the form of y minus b whole square is equal to 4 into a into x minus a. From this, the vertex h comma k is equal to vertex of the parabola, that is indicated by the letter A. Vertex h comma k is equal to 3 comma 0, and focus, okay, let me call s into a is equal to 2, because 4 into a into x minus h, a is equal to 2, and let me find focus s is equal to, it is h plus a comma k, so that h value 3, so it is 3 plus 2 plus k value 0, so comma 0, that is equal to, it is 5 comma 0. Now I got focus, that is 5 comma 0, and vertex I got it as 3 comma 0, and I want equation of the directrix. So equation of the directrix is x is equal to h minus a. That means x is equal to, I can write h value 3 minus a value 2, so that is equal to x is equal to 1 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. So let me write, it is x is equal to 1 or x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of the directrix. Now let me consider let p, that is I am taking as h plus 80 square comma k plus 280 be any point on the parabola. So here I am taking the point P. It is a P, h plus 80 square and k plus 280 be any point on the parabola. Then this can be written as this implies P means here h value, how much we got? H value is 3. So 3 plus a value 2. So 2t square comma 3 plus 2t square comma k value we got 0. So 0 plus 2 into a value 2 into t. So that is equal to p means 3 plus 2t square comma 4t. So this is be any point. It will be any point on the parabola. Okay, it is the any point of the parabola. Now, according to given question, here M is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point P onto the parabola. Am I right? So, let me draw a perpendicular line from P to the directrix. Now it is M. Okay, so let M be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P to the directrix x minus 1 is equal to 0. Am I right? See, whenever it is the foot of the perpendicular, then definitely angle PMZ is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, angle PMZ is equal to 90 degrees. Now, let me join S to P and S to M. Okay, join S to P and S to M. Okay, I am joining here S to P and S to M. Now, it is given that triangle SPM is an equilateral triangle. Triangle SPM is equilateral triangle. Means here all the three sides are equal and each angle is 60 degrees. Am I right? Whenever each angle is 60, then angle PMS is also 60. So let me write after joining the points, since triangle SPM is equilateral, so I am taking angle SMP is equal to 60 degrees. But we know that this total angle is 90. In that we got angle PMS or SMP is 60. So then can you guess what is remaining angle? Yes, definitely it is 30 degrees because then only sum is 90. So from this angle SMZ is equal to 30. Now if you observe, it is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, what is the value of SZ? That is we need to consider. Here Z is nothing but it is 1 comma 0 point, because equation of the directrix is x is equal to 1. So x value 1 here, and on the x axis y value 0. So Z coordinates are 1 comma 0. So finally if you see from 1 comma 0 to 5 comma 0, the distance is 4 units. So here SZ value is 4. SZ value is 4 units. And we know it's one angle, that is 30 degrees. By using this angle and side, I want to find out what is the side of the equilateral triangle. So in triangle SMZ, angle I know. So I want to find out sine 30. So sine 30 degrees is equal to, it is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite means ZS by hypotenuse is SM. Sine 30 value we know it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to ZS. ZS value is 4 units and SM is unknown, we need to find. So it is SM. So from this if I do cross multiplication, then I get SM is equal to, it is 8 units. SM is equal to 8. So whenever I got SM is equal to 8, this means each side of the equilateral triangle is 8 units. So now it is also 8, it is also 8 and it is also 8. Now indirectly what is the distance of SP now? It is 8 units. So therefore each side of triangle SMP is equal to 8 units. Okay. Now by using distance formula from S to P, because I know S value, that is 5 comma 0, and P point already I found here. P point I got 3 plus 2t square comma 4t. 3 plus 2t square comma 4t. So by using these 2 points, I want to find out the distance. Okay. So now since SP is equal to 8, this implies SP square is equal to 60 4. But distance formula we know already. It is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I am using, that is 3 plus 2t square, that is x1 x2 minus x1 value 5. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 value is 40 minus 0 whole square, 40 minus 0 whole square is equal to 64. Now 3 minus 5, it is minus 2. So I am writing it as 2t square minus 2 whole square plus it is 16t square is equal to 64. Now I want to use a minus b whole square formula here. So if I use that, it can be written as it is 4t power 4, that is a square, minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so it is minus 8t square. Okay, and minus 2 whole square, it is plus 4, and plus 16t square is equal to 64. Okay, now it is 4t power 4, 4t power 4 can be written as 2t square whole square, that is 4t power 4, and see, if you simplify 16t square minus 8t square, that is plus 8t. Okay, that plus is 8t, and 4, I am bringing 64 to left hand side, so 4 minus 64, that is equal to minus 60, that is equal to 0. From this, okay, let me write it as again 4t square, 4t power 4, then I will cancel 4 table. So if I cancel 4 table here, then it is t power 4 plus 4 table, no, it is 2t minus 4 table 15 times, and cancel. So finally this one I want to write as t power 4 plus minus 15 can be written as 5t minus 3t minus 15 is equal to 0. In the first two terms, it is 8t square. In the first two terms, it is t square is common. If I take t square common, then I will get it is t square plus 5, and in the last two terms minus 3 is common, then it is t square plus 5 is equal to 0. Again t square plus 5 is common, so t square plus 5 into it is t square minus 3 is equal to 0. From this t square value minus 5 or 3. But we know that t square value cannot be negative. A perfect square cannot be negative here. So if you take, you get an imaginary value. So t square is equal to minus 5 is not admissible. Then let me take t square is equal to 3. Okay. Now t square is equal to 3. I should substitute in the place of point coordinates P to find P. So therefore, I am finding here. So therefore, P is equal to 3 plus 2t square comma 4t. So 3 plus 2 t square value 3 comma 4t. So that means 4 root 3, because t square value 3. So t value root 3. So finally this answer is equal to 9 comma 4 root 3 is the point P. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.